Acidity can frankly be quite annoying, isn't it? But worry not, you can get rid of this problem by consuming the following 8 simple foods. Are you ready to find out? Acid reflux, commonly known as acidity, is a very uncomfortable and painful condition. Most of us have already suffered from it at some point in our lives. It is common knowledge that the condition can worsen if you eat the wrong foods. However, smart dietary choices can help you deal with this issue in no time. Luckily, nature has given us several foods that can reduce the formation of acid in your stomach and balance the pH levels in the stomach. So without wasting any more time, let us get to know these amazing 8 foods that will help us to alleviate the symptoms of acidity and at the same time will also offer long-term benefits to prevent acidity. Number 1. Cold milk. Cold milk is one of the most simple home remedies to combat acidity. If you're not lactose intolerant, the richness of calcium in milk controls excess secretion of hydrochloric acids, thereby absorbing the acids in the stomach. Cold milk is the perfect antidote for acidity, as it offers instant relief from the burning sensation in the stomach. How to use: 1 simple glass of cold milk is all you need. Number 2. Carom seeds. Carom seeds is good to treat any kind of abdominal discomfort that usually occurs due to indigestion. It is a natural remedy for problems like acid reflux. The active enzymes in agewain and the biochemical thymol helps to relieve any kind of gastric problem. How to use: take it with a pinch of salt and chew on it. Alternatively, you can soak 1 tablespoon in water overnight and drink it in the morning. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Since acid reflux is often caused by indigestion, drinking apple cider vinegar before meals can help reduce reflux. It helps to balance the pH levels in your stomach by neutralizing stomach acid. How to use: mix 1-2 TBSP of raw ACV in a cup of water and drink it once a day. Number 4. Indian basil, also known as Tulsi Indian basil, is rightly known as the perfect herb for all reasons, and acidity is no exception. It has soothing properties that provide instant relief from the burning sensation and formation of acid in the stomach. How to use: chew on a couple of leaves during the day, or if you like it, soak them in water and drink it regularly. Number 5. Fennel seeds. Chewing half a teaspoon of fennel seeds will help you get relief from acidity and heartburn, thereby reducing symptoms of bloating and stomach aches. How to use: chew on half a teaspoon of fennel seeds during the day, or if you like it, soak them in water, strain them the next morning, and drink the water regularly. Number 6. Non-citrus fruits. Non-citrus fruits like bananas, apples, and all sorts of melons like watermelon, honeydew, and cantaloupe are all low-acid fruits. They are considered among the best for acid reflux. Rich in fiber, they help to combat stomach discomfort. Number 7. Coconut water. Unsweetened coconut water is another great option for people with acid reflux. Your body's pH levels turn from acidic to basic when you drink coconut water. That's because of its electrolytic properties such as potassium, which is crucial to control acid reflux. Number 8. Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that help to relieve indigestion and heartburn. It can reduce the stomach acid flowing up into the esophagus and soothe the stomach. How to use: try using it in various dishes or add it to a cup of tea. You can also chew on a slice of fresh ginger. That is all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried any one of these mentioned foods for your acidity. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and adios.